Making Doppio Plus coffee using coffee beans. Fill the container with coffee beans. Do not use caramelized or candied coffee beans, as they could stick to the coffee mill and make it unusable. Place a sufficiently large cup or glass under the coffee spouts. Lower the spouts as near as possible to the cup. This makes a creamier coffee. Press the Doppio Plus icon. Preparation begins. The amount of coffee selected is displayed, together with a progress bar which gradually fills as preparation progresses. Once the coffee has been made, the appliance is ready to make the next drink.